This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about disposable cups, specifically these Flexi Grip round frosted plastic cups. They're a nice high-end look with that frosted finish for a disposable option. So they have this lovely finish that's not only decorative, but also helps to improve the grip. It gives the outside of the cup just a little bit of texture, making for an improved hold, right? Nice and non-slip. They're also flexible, making them a more comfortable cup to grip. They come in 3 sizes. This one is the 16. They're also available in 12 and 20 ounce. It's a BPA-free plastic that's recyclable and also reusable. And they can be used for both hot and cold beverages, making these a fantastic option if you're just looking for something for home to use with the kids that you don't have to worry about them knocking over or breaking, or for caterers, restaurants, bars, or just your next event, whether it's at the home or office.